What's up, YouTube? We're finally back with the Downpipe review.
Everyone's been asking about.
Yes, I've been driving it for a while. I mean, how long has it been? I don't know. For a while, and finally
like 2
get
weeks.
to give you 2 weeks.
Yeah.
Finally get to give you guys my opinion about this Downpipe, if it's worth it or not.
But right now we're gonna do windows down.
See if we can set off any alarms.
Fuck.
I did, and I was just chilling. I'm gonna be like, I don't know what you're talking about, Ossifer. It was that car right there.
Ossifer?
Ossifer. It was that car, the Eclipse. That thing's all turboed and loud. We're going back in the sun. I'm back to work.
Yeah, right here would be a good place to talk.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to Static Works. Had to give you that proper introduction because Marian over here doesn't even know how to say it.
Video game. I'm gonna start clapping.
I'm gonna start recording every single one of your fail introductions and I'm gonna post it.
It's all good. Go ahead. What's the first question you have for me about the Downpipe that I got? Catless Downpipe.
So I'm going to be asking Martin some questions about his Downpipe because you guys wanted a Downpipe review, and we're gonna give you some rollers, we're gonna give you some sound clips, but most importantly, we're gonna give you some answers.
And their security.
So the first question is, what did you get for your car?
Catless Downpipe from damnfastdd.com.
Does that website specialize just in Velosters and Kias and Hyundais and?
They have numerous, let me look. Alfa Romeo, BMW, Dodge, Fiat, Ford, Hyundai, Jeep, Kia, Lexus, Mazda, Mini, Subaru.
Okay, so they
And that's about it.
offer a big range.
Various parts.
And how much did you spend on it approximately?
I spent about almost $370 with ceramic coating, but they had a deal going on, which they normally charge $100 for that. Without the ceramic coating, you're gonna pay $325 and an extra $100 to have that coating on there.
Okay, so ceramic coatings are typically used on exhaust components to reduce temperatures. This means a reduction in back pressure and an increase in horsepower will result.
So I guess more power makes it cooler.
For how much more?
They normally charge $100 for that coating, but like I said, they had a sale going on and I got it for free. No, I'm not sponsored. They just had a sale.
We're not really sponsored by anyone, but if any company wants to sponsor us, hit us up. info@staticworks.co. Next question, since we don't have a dyno to be able to test this on a stock tune, how much horsepower / torque do you think the Downpipe's made?
My guess, maybe between 10 to 15 horses.
And what do they claim?
They claim 20 horsepower and 20 torque, but I could be wrong. I'm not a dyno.
And is that with the stock tune or an actual tune?
They don't say. They just say gain 20 horsepower, 20 torque, but it doesn't say with tune or without.
And that's
so
where
it
they
could
get
be
you.
with a tune.
That's where they get you though.
Could be with a tune, but I do feel we do notice a power difference, a pretty good power difference.
Next question. Is there a drone?
Yes, but it's not as loud as you think. Like when you had your test pipes or your white pipes, whatever you want to call it, your drone was loud, a lot louder than mine. Mine, it's loud, but it's bearable. It's not that bad.
Because I mean, it all depends on
the person really.
And it depends on the car.
The
insulation of your vehicle, obviously it's a newer car, so it's gonna have better insulation than my car. So everything outside I can hear inside, and here it's pretty quiet.
Yeah.
So.
We will be driving on the freeway at 65 and then we'll do like 80, so you could hear if there's a drone. The camera should pick it up pretty good.
Yeah.
Some people do not like loud exhaust. If you don't, you're not a car guy.
You're gonna get so much backlash from that.
I know. That's funny though. Nah, but it's just a preference. I don't mind it. My neighbors mind it. My family minds it. Danny doesn't care. He likes it.
When it comes to California regulations, and I'm pretty sure everywhere across the United States, just California is more strict. You can't even buy some downpipes like on certain brands for certain cars here in California, but he was able to get this downpipe. Of course, it's not legal But I believe California raised smog, the smog year that you have to get, like the smog with the new car. So I believe it went from 6 years to have to smog it to 8 years. So he has probably like 6 more years.
About, if that's true, I don't know.
Yeah, I'm not sure if it's true. I heard about that.
Let us know down below.
Regardless, it's either 6 or 4 years that he has till he smogs it. And I mean, it's gonna be full bolt-on by, it's already full bolt-on. It's gonna be
tuned by then.
Tuned. It's gonna be maxed out. It's gonna be fast
and furious.
Now that we pretty much answered most of your guys' questions that you guys asked us.
Oh, does it bring up the boost? Since I have the boost gauge.
Oh, that's a good one.
Well, before I had the downpipe, I would hit 18 PSI. Rarely I would hit 19. It was very rare. With that downpipe, I got it up to 20, which is pretty crazy.
I was here.
I got up to 20, and I actually haven't been paying attention lately, so I don't know if it's getting 20 now. It also depends on the weather too. You guys know about turbos and whatnot. It really depends on a lot of things. But I did get it up to 20, which is pretty crazy without a tune. So that's 2 PSI higher than stock, from what they say. Stock is 18 or so.
Yeah, stock is supposed to be 18. And with the intake, pretty much full bolt-on besides downpipes, it was pushing like 19 sometimes. And we were driving, doing some pulls with the downpipes, and it actually hit 20.
Surprise! I was surprised.
Twice.
I didn't think it was gonna hit 20.
We're gonna take this car for a drive. He's gonna be driving it. I'm gonna be driving it. I'm gonna be driving it. And pretty much we're gonna give you a review on how we feel versus how it was before.
We're gonna do just a little pull. We're not gonna go too crazy. There's a lot of cars. We're gonna go on the freeway. We're gonna do a little pull, and then we're gonna drive normal so you can hear if there's a drone. Here's a little pull real quick. Go slow. 19. Oh, we're just driving at 65 right now.
Windows up all the way.
Yeah, it's not too bad in here. Now we're gonna get up to 80, and we're gonna see how that sounds compared to 65.
It starts droning a little more at 3,000. That's when most droning starts on any car.
Yeah, right now I'm just cruising at 80. I mean, it's not too bad in here, but I know outside it's gonna probably be loud for people with their windows up like that. Should I piss them off? Okay. So I did hit 60 right there. 0 to 60 in like 20 seconds. It's not that bad considering it's a Hyundai 1.6 liter turbo.
So I'm gonna be driving Martin's Veloster a couple miles. He's gonna finally let me drive it. There you go.
You could have started in third, but
So driving for about like 5 minutes now, it is a lot noticeable in the high RPMs. Down low you don't really feel it that much just because there's less back pressure. So you're gonna feel it obviously more on the high. Always in the high.
it's in the high full.
Yeah.
Alright, so that's it for this video today. If you guys have any questions, comment down below and we'll try to answer it. But if you have any comments in general or more knowledge about the downpipe and the ceramic coating, let us know, but be nice about it. Don't be a dick. What are you eating?
On that note, thanks for watching. Like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next one.